Oh hey, as of recently, I've been working on this DIY drone. It got me thinking, how could we apply this technology to a foreign planet? Think about it. If you're on a foreign planet where the atmosphere and everything else is hell-bent on killing you, how could you use remote control technology to explore the terrain, transport supplies back and forth from your outpost, maybe by research site you're trying to find alien fossils, or your home base where all your food and crew are, how would you do those sorts of things? So in this video I try and explore, actually try some of these capabilities, and yeah, I assume you're interested too because you're still listening to me. So alright, sit tight.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
There's just something about JFK's speech that really is inspiring. I mean, here was a country with the ambition to land on a foreign body. They took the risk and they did it. They took 24 people to the moon and brought them back all safely. We are living in very similar times right now. Yeah, there's actually a couple pretty ambitious and crazy mofos that are trying to develop spaceships capable of taking millions of cargo to other planets. That's insane. Just take SpaceX, for example. They've developed an architecture to take hundreds of people to the surface of Mars, build up outposts and propellant depots. By 2024, SpaceX wants to launch the first couple missions to Mars. Then, in subsequent launches, launch people to begin the settlement of Mars. This is nuts. So that's all great and all, but where does the drone technology come in? Well, if you know SpaceX and Elon Musk, we are getting there. And now we need to figure out how we're going to resolve some of the issues that are the transporting of goods and supplies to outposts, the reconnaissance of terrain that we can't yet step foot on, but intend to explore in the future. That didn't work out so well. I had glasses. The first and most obvious application of a drone is its ability to search and explore terrain that is otherwise not searchable. I mean, you have a freaking spacesuit. You don't want to be tearing a hole in a very crucial piece of your survival. So the next thing I wanted to try and do was see if I could carry one box to another place with my drone. And so I came up with this. I attached it to the bottom of the drone and I tried to move a box, and well, the results I'll show you in a second. I know what you're thinking. There are people building billion-dollar spaceships, and the best you can come up with was this lousy hook? Yes, unfortunately. Anyway, here, check it out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.